Hello everyone, if you've been facing issues with your device after updating to iOS 18.2, you're not alone. Apple is aware of the problems many users are dealing with, like battery drain, performance issues, and even overheating. The good news is that Apple's rolling out an update soon to fix these bugs and improve the overall performance of your device. This update is called iOS 18.2.1, and it's all about making your device run smoother. iOS 18.2.1 isn't going to bring any new features to your phone. It's a bug fix update, meaning it's focused entirely on patching the problems introduced in iOS 18.2. If you've been struggling with things like battery life issues or overheating, this is the update to watch for. It's also going to include security fixes to keep your device protected from vulnerabilities. The big question everyone's asking is, when can we expect this update? Well, it looks like iOS 18.2.1 could arrive as early as December 30th, 2024. However, with the holidays in full swing, there's always a chance it could be pushed to early January 2025. Fixing those annoying bugs that have made our devices less enjoyable to use is essential. Even without flashy new features, this update is still a must install. One thing to remember is that iOS 18.2.1 isn't just for iPhones. Apple is likely going to roll out updates for iPads, Macs, and Apple Watches at the same time, addressing similar issues across devices. Again, no major feature changes are expected, just stability and performance improvements. So, how soon should you update? The moment iOS 18.2.1 becomes available, and you should install it without delay. While it may seem like a small update, it resolves key problems like battery drain, overheating, and performance lags, making your device much more reliable. Plus, it includes important security fixes to protect your data. Even if it lacks new features, this update is vital to keeping your device secure and operating at its best. There's also a chance Apple might release it in the second week of January. With the holidays, their schedules are packed, so don't expect it immediately. Once it's out, though, you'll likely see significant improvements in your device's performance. Those issues you've been facing could finally be resolved after installing iOS 18.2.1. As for the next big update, iOS 18.3 is expected to arrive soon, with beta versions likely rolling out in early January 2024. While it might bring exciting new features and improvements, the focus right now is on iOS 18.2.1, which addresses the pressing issues users are facing with iOS 18.2. This bug fix update is critical for ensuring your device runs smoothly, so it's worth keeping an eye on its release before thinking about what's next. In short, if you've been having trouble with your iPhone or other Apple devices, iOS 18.2.1 is coming to save the day. Stay tuned for the release, and make sure to update as soon as it's available. Trust me, it'll be worth it. Are you ready for a smoother experience with iOS 18.2.1? Share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more updates. See you in the next one.